Hello guys, what's up? This is Bubbycolditz, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a Twitter GUI code. So let's go and get to it. So I'm actually going to use a flat terrarium. It doesn't really matter what you use. It's just at least use a world. Okay. So in the description I'm going to post the steps. So if you see me copying and pasting, I don't want to waste too much time. So go ahead and hit workspace. Right click on workspace, or I'm sorry, not workspace, starter GUI. Right click on starter GUI, insert object, and you're going to hit screen GUI right here. Okay, now this, what you want to name this is Twitter codes, so just rename it to Twitter codes. I just want to skip to the coding part though. Okay, then right click on the screen GUI, insert object, and then the frame, which is up here. Okay, so it should go like that. So go to the size and hold on. So go right here, go to the size, and we're gonna paste it, and then that. So they are 0,300 and then 0,300 again. And then the position is going to be 0.5 minus 150 and then the same exact thing. So it should put it right in the middle. We're going to put a color, so background color. It could be any for you. So I'm just going to pick, I think that's a good one. Okay, so if you want my colors, it's 102, 255, 102. So go ahead and get to it. So right click on the frame and then hit insert object, then text box. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and click on the text box, and this text box is going to be named input. So let's just rename text box. No, I'm sorry, not text box. Input. Okay, so now we've got that. Now we're gonna do the properties. So the size of it is gonna be here, I'll show you here. The size is gonna be 1, 0, then 0, 50. So actually, do not know why I had that. 1 second, guys. So it should put that all the way across. Okay, there we go. What I guys. Okay, now the position is 0, 0, and then 0.5 negative 25. So then it should put it directly right there, or maybe a little bit down. I think 30. No, we're just gonna put negative 25. Okay. So then, what the text is gonna be. So if we go here, what the text, it's gonna be enter code. Oops, hold on, guys. So it's gonna be enter code here. Oh goodness. Okay. Enter code here. That should be like that. Now right click on the frame, insert object, and then you're gonna put text button. Now this text button is gonna be the same exact thing as this, as the size. So the size here, let's be that, and then the position. So actually, let's put the color first. Okay, so background color. No, that's too much of a. I think this is good. Okay, so if you want it 78, 134, 255. I think that should be good for you. Okay, then you want to go all the way down. Then you should see a text scale box. You want to click it, and then it should bring this all the way up. Now the text color 3, you want to type in 255, comma 255, comma 255, and it should turn this white. Okay. So the text is going to be submit. Oops. Submit. There we go. Okay, so it should be submit, and the position is going to be 0, 0, and then 0.75, comma negative 25. So we just find this, find that, do that, and there you go. Should put it right there. So maybe I could put it down a little bit actually. So let's actually put 50. That's way off. 25? Maybe 20. Actually, up a little bit. There we go. Actually, nope. Hold on, guys. Trying to put it down a little bit. Okay. 23. I think it's actually 25. 4. No, that's good. And then we're gonna put the this. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to put this a little bit up. Okay, I think enter code here. I think this is good. So the input position is 0, 0, 0.5, 52. That's where I put it. And the text button is 0, 0, and then 0.75, 24. That's how I kind of evened it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get to it. So we're almost to the coding part. Now, we want to do right click on the frame, insert object, and then what you want to do is you want to do not local script yet, text label. So text label. Okay, now the text label. You want to do the size is 1, 0, 0, 50. 1, 0, 0, 50. Hold on. Right here, right there. We're good. Okay, then we're gonna do text scaled, which is right here. And then we want to put in as the text. Find Twitter codes. Wait, hold on. Find Twitter codes by following me at, and then this isn't a really good, I don't even have Twitter, I never will, so it basically will say that. And you want to set the background transparency to 1, so if we go all the way up here, 1. And the position is 0, 0, then 0.15, 0. So I think this is good. Yeah, if you want to add an image, you would have to right click on here, insert object, and it would be image label, I believe. And then in here, the image, so if we go here, we go to decals, or no, I'm sorry, yeah, decals, and just put Twitter, and then if we just then we just copy the ID here. We just delete this, insert object, and then we do image label, and then image label. You're gonna go up or down and right. There we go. Now you should see that this should be put here. So the position 0,01. 50? No. Hold on, I gotta get the center real quick. 75. Let's try 85. No. Wait, probably 100. Yeah, that should be good. I think that's okay. Good. So that's how you add that. Now, since we already did that, I kind of did a little bit more, but okay. Anyways, now right click on submit. Actually, oh, sorry, this text button here, you want to rename it to submit. I totally forgot to do that. Submit. Alright, there we go. Now we can right click. So right click on submit, insert object. You're going to do local script, not just the script, local script. Okay, so let's actually just mess up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if we do local gear equals game dot replica storage, I believe, storage, wait for child, and then we want to put here, and then in here. So inside of here, you're gonna put in the name, the thing you want to give when you when they put in the code correctly. But like just actually, and we're gonna put the item in the replicated storage because it says this. So if I wanted a stop sign, so if I wanted a gun, okay, wait, hold on. Let me look for one. Okay, so we want to put this, and you want to put in replicated storage, and then in here you want to put its name. So its name is pistol. Okay, so that's what you would put in there. So actually right here I'm gonna put name. Okay. Let's actually just scroll on this real quick. Okay, there we go. Now script dot parent dot mouse parent dot mouse button one click, and then a colon connect, and then function, and then you would hit enter. Now you want to do if statement. If script dot parent dot if script dot parent dot input dot text equals, and then you put in your code right here. So code in, so you will put any code you want in here. So if I want to say Bubbycolditz, I can do Bubbycolditz. And if you want to add another one, what you have to do is space, hit or, and then do it again. And then if you're going to do 3 more, you put or, and then do it again. And then since for this sake, we're going to just put Twitter, and then we're going to hit or again, and then there's actually no limit, and then we're just going to put YouTube. Okay? Alright, so that will work. And if we go over here, wait, guys. Alright, so just hit enter. You should have an end and then a parenthesis, a right parenthesis, and then you should have an end right here. So, now we're going to do gear, and we're going to do clone, parentheses, and then dot parent equals game.players local player dot backpack. So then you want to do the same exact thing, so just copy this, and then you want to okay. Alright, so you want to change backpack to starter gear. Okay, so then you want to do that. Now, you want to do this right here, but you want to only put one equal, then you want to put just 2 quotations like that. And then you want to do script dot parent dot text equals code successfully used. Alright, so then once they do that, you want to wait 1, hit enter, and you want to do the same exact thing right here. That text equals, then you're going to put back to submit. Now, you want to hit enter, hit backspace, type in else, hit enter, and then it should indent you back to there. And then you want to do the same exact thing as right here. And then you want to do this right here. Alright, so after that, I'm going to wait. Invalid, and then we're going to do a wait 1. And then we want to do this again. Equals submit. So it should be like that. And then you should have end and M. So now the submit button should work. Now we need to do one more thing. We need to add a text button. Alright, so we're going to add one that opens this GUI up and closes it. So, right click on Twitter codes, insert objects, and you want to do text button. Okay, so, let's just close all these up. This text button, you want to rename it to button. Okay, and the position is, okay, so the position is going to be 0, 0, and then 0.5, then negative 25. So it should directly put it in the middle. Now, we gotta put the text size to 36. Size to 36. Then what we want to put this to is to open. And we can actually change the color. I mean, I didn't plan on doing this, but I think that blue is beautiful. So if you want this is 93, 199, 255. It's kind of like this blue. Actually, it is that blue. Alright, anyways. So now, the last part. Now, right click on the button, insert object, and then you're going to do local script again. This will be the last insert. This will be the last coding thing we have to do. Okay, so basically, if we just go back over here and we go in here, submit, we go right here, and then we're gonna basically use this first line, just this very first line. So now is script dot parent dot frame dot visible. Then you're gonna put equals, oops, hold on, parent, and then put dot visible equals then false. And then you're gonna put then. This should indent you. And then you're gonna do the same exact thing right here. Just post it, put it right there without an if. And then we're gonna hit space equals and then true. And then script dot parent dot text, and then we want then we want to put space equals, and then we want to say close. Hit enter, backspace, type in else, hit enter, and then that should go there. And then we want to do this, copy right here, but change to the false, and then just copy this, see here, and that, go, open, open, and then actually I don't know what happened to false. There we go, guys. So we basically did it. We're all done, and I'm going to show you that it actually works. So if we go here, goes out of this. So it's going to be Bubbycolditz, Twitter, or YouTube we can use. So if we just get out of here, and you see this right here. Code here. Alright, so actually before I do anything else, the size, I want to bump the size up. I think 28 is good. Alright, so let's go ahead, close all these up. Okay, and then we want to hit this. Ooh. So we're gonna let this load here. Hold on. Okay, you see it opens automatically, but then when you hit open, it should go open and then close. Okay, so once you hit open, is the enter code here. So what I'm going to do is, it says all this, And so we're gonna try Bubbycolditz. So once we put this in, hit submit, and it says code successfully used. Okay, if we type in YouTube, and I think it'll still accept it. Yep, it'll still accept it. And then Twitter. There we go. So if we close this, you see we got our gun, which doesn't really work, but you see we actually got it. And that is how you make a Twitter code GUI. You can put comments down below to see what next what coding tutorials you want me to do next. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give this like down below, and I'll be giving you more tutorials on Roblox coding. And I'll see you later. Goodbye.